How to remove Instagram ID from another phone. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me Bedmastant, and today I'll guide you on how you can easily remove your Instagram account from another phone. Now the process is quite simple and quite easy, so let me guide it through. First things first, you want to open up your Instagram account. Next thing what you want to do is you want to tap on the profile icon at the bottom right corner of your screen and you'll be headed into your profile. Once on the profile here, what you want to do is here you want to tap on the hamburger icon at the top right corner of your screen and then tap on settings and privacy. Under settings and privacy, you'll find the very first option that says account center. You want to tap on it. Under account center, you can see there are various options and you can see password and security options. Under account settings, you want to tap on it. Here you can see under security checks the very first option that you see there where you are logged in. Once you tap on it and open it up here, you will have to choose the account. If you have linked to multiple accounts, your list of accounts will show up here. In my case, I'm not linked to any account, so it's just showing me this one account. I'll just tap on it, and here once I tap on it, here you can see it will ask me to choose a device. Now if you want to remove particular one account or one device from your logged in account list, you want to simply tap on it and there you'll get the logout option. However, if you wish to remove all signed in devices, at the bottom you will see select devices to logout option. Tap on it, and once you tap on it, you'll see the select all option. Tap on it, and once you do so, tap on logout and you'll get logged out from all other devices. So this way you can remove Instagram account from another phone or from another devices. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.